Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you all know that I am new here and thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my video please like and subscribe my channel. I want to grow and would like to make more videos regarding cell phones and other things. So I'm making video on Realme C3. So as you all can see, this is Realme C3. So the problems I'm facing while using my cell phone, the basic problems are the lag and the touch issues. These two are the problems which I'm facing in my daily life routine as I'm a gamer. So let me clear all the RAM and will show you. So let's hop on to the game and we'll show you some gameplay of Call of Duty, uh, so you can judge that I'm speaking truth or not. So let it begin. So while it's getting started, uh, you all can see how much time does it takes. In other videos I have seen, they show that it's really quick. So this is the real time which you're watching right now while starting the game. Right now it's taking a lot of time and it's lagging a lot, you can see in the graphics. So I had just used for a week, and till now I'm using and facing problems continuously. So the game has started and it takes a lot of time to start, and it takes a lot of struggle for me to make a video. Now I can see that while watching on YouTube is really easy, and while making a video is really hard and tough. So you will not see any graphics or animations made by me, because I'm making this video and editing by myself and uploading on YouTube, doing everything by myself. So for my hard work, you can give me a like if you like my video, and if you want me to grow, please subscribe my channel and I'll make more videos for you guys, for cell phones and other things. If you want to you want to know, and if you want to know that on what software I'm editing my video, so I will share you on that too. So the game has begun, so I'll show you. Let's have a little gameplay so you all can see that the lagging is a real issue in Realme C3 or not in Pakistan. The Pakistani version, I'm talking about the pure Pakistani version because I'm using that one. It's 3 GB and 32 GB, and I have used 10 GB of its space, and now it's lagging a lot. See, you can see in the gameplay. Oh, I got the grenade. So let me shoot. Oh, finally I got it. Let's have another one with the lag and the touch issues. So let's go. Come on, man, come on. I'm playing on a gaming monster, man. Come on. Oh, man. See the lags. Oh, don't shoot me. I'm playing on a gaming monster, man. Don't shoot me. Oh, it hits me hard. See, there are a lot of touch issues. I'll show you one more round for you guys to satisfy that this there is a real lagging issue. So let's go for another round, and you all people will come to know. I don't think so that this much amount. I bought this phone for 20,000, 20 grands, and it's lagging a lot. I see again a lagging issue. I just hate playing on this. I don't know why they are. Yes, the one thing I will assure you is it's a battery monster. It is really a battery monster, and oh, I'm stuck. See, the game hangs here. See, the game is hanging. There's no edit. This is a real video. No editing, nothing. I just have edited, merged two videos, my real gameplay, my real video, and my intro. That's it. I have not made any editing in it. This is all true. See, I just press my home button and it lags. It just blacked out. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.